Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our XC90 R-Design. So this is our 2010 Volvo XC90 R-Design. It's covered just over 132,000 miles from new. It's got good service history, and whilst in our care, we've replaced disc and pads all round, done the cam belt, given it service, a fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. A few little marks on the bodywork as you've got to expect. It's a 13-year-old car that has done over 132,000 miles from new, but it's still a very, very nice looking car. Inside, you've got the R-Design leather seats, memory function in the front, AM/FM radio, cruise control, aircon's blowing out nice and cold, electric windows all round. It's the 2.4 5-cylinder diesel engine with an automatic gearbox. It's all in nice condition in here. Privacy glass in the back. Loads of legroom in there. Again, interior is all in nice condition for the age and mileage. You've also got a lovely big practical boot with an extra 2 seats to pop up in the back just here. Overall, a really, really nice car for the age and mileage. Regularly serviced, cam belt done, new disc and pads, and serviced. Really, really lovely motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.